start the 3D print.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a really fantastic model. It's Dwayne the Rocktopus Johnson. It's Dwayne the Rock Johnson, but an octopus.
Okay. All right.
And it's in sparkly.
And it's in sparkly purple. Yeah, a brand new roll of sparkly purple.
Nice. Breaking out the good stuff.
Breaking out the good stuff.
Also, Kyle, is this not the machine that we balanced last week?
This is totally the machine we balanced last week. Yeah.
Right, so I guess we'll see how that. We'll see how it worked out.
Sticker off of it.
Yeah.
Don't you?
Yeah.
You better not fail.
It didn't pull back, and it's like tiny.
It's going to be pulling it up. It's going to want to fall out, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to keep it on this side. Always keep it on the left of the center.
Oh yeah. And named.
Probably.
Nice.
Why is it heavy duty Velcro?
It's the good stuff. You don't have to do it.
There we go. And do we have a Stefan? All right, there we go. That's it. Making guitars, yeah. That's pretty nice, huh?
Yeah.
Watch out, Adam Savage. We're coming for you.
Yeah.
This kid's coming for you. Oh, you're good at this.
Boom! In there. Let's get this side. Hang. There we go. Boom. Right up in the corner here. One more. Good job.
Yeah.
High 10. Is this
This one's
upcut?
up.
Is
This
that
one's
an
upcut.
upcut? You're correct. Upcut. That is evil.
What is this? What is that? What is this?
My shoes don't stay tied.
Safety hazard. Safety
My
hazard.
shoes don't stay tied.
Don't say about that.
Should we do a tiny measurement?
Come on in.
Let me move this out of the way.